Is your Hyundai Elantra 2014 to 2020 key fob displaying an open case error or simply not working? The most common fix is a battery replacement. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on your key fob. Gently pry it open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the remote functions. If it still doesn't work, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or visit a Hyundai dealer. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, check for corrosion or damage inside the fob. Clean the battery contacts carefully. Reprogramming the key fob might be necessary, especially if the remote stopped working after the battery change. Be aware that while rechargeable CR2032 batteries are available, Hyundai doesn't recommend them due to potential reliability issues. Properly dispose of the old battery to avoid environmental hazards. If you're uncomfortable with DIY repairs, a dealership can handle the replacement, but expect higher costs around $50 to $100. Remember to handle the fob gently to avoid damage that could lead to expensive immobilizer lockouts.